How to move the recovery partition to end of a disk. We will show you how to move it with the free tool Partition Resizer. If there are no DORI, but only unallocated, you can right-click Recovery, choose Move Partition, move it to the end, and then click Apply Changes. If there are other partitions after the recovery, you need to back up them to another disk first. If there are more than one partitions, you need to back up each one to another disk first. Let's show you how to back up this one. Right-click, choose Copy Partition and choose Unallocated Space. The backup disk must be empty, or at least it has unallocated space. Right-click, choose Copy, and then click Apply Changes. Once there's backup, you can right-click, choose Delete Partition, right-click, Delete, and then right-click the recovery partition. Choose Move. When the cursor shows cross arrows, move it to the end. Click OK and then click Apply Changes. And then move the backups back to the disk number 0 if you need. Right-click, Copy, choose Unallocated, Confirm. Right-click, choose Copy and Unallocated. Click Apply. It's done now. You can keep the backups on disk number 1, or you may delete. Right-click, Delete. Click Apply. The recovery partition has been moved to the end. Let's see in the disk management. The recovery is in the end. Here is a summary of different cases and steps to move the recovery partition to the end. Thanks for watching.